G'day spice lovers. Today we're making chai latte truffles. I'm using a cheeky shortcut with chai latte sachets, but I'm showing you how to balance the sugar with dark chocolate and finish it with custom spiced cocoa dust. Let's get into it. First, the chocolate. Because the chai sachets are sweet, we can't just use milk chocolate. I'm using half milk chocolate and half 70% dark chocolate. Finally chop them and mix them into a bowl. For the infusion, heat your cream in a saucepan. Add 2 sachets of your favourite instant chai latte mix. Whisk it well and bring it to just a simmer. Pour that hot chai cream over the chocolate, let it sit for 5 minutes, then stir gently from the centre until you have a glossy dark ganache. Pop this in the fridge for at least 2 hours to firm up. While that chills, let's fix the spice level. Sachets can be mild, so we're making a spiced cocoa dust. Sift together cocoa powder, icing sugar, cinnamon, ginger, and cardamom. This coating smells incredible and hits you with spice as soon as you take a bite. Once the ganache is firm, scoop and roll it into balls. It should be easy to handle. Drop them straight into that spiced cocoa mixture and roll to coat heavily. And there you have it, easy chai latte truffles that actually pack a punch. The dark chocolate balances the sugar perfectly. Thanks for watching.